Hi there, Andy Ron here with Montana Land Source. This is a video I do every week, a short video summary of the Montana Land Report that we put out here at Montana Land Source every week, highlighting activity in the Montana land market. In this past week, there were 31 total property updates. 7 new listings hit the market. 3 properties are back on the market, having fallen out of contract. 2 price changes, 10 new pending sales, and 9 sales. So that's a total of 19 properties leaving the market or set to leave the market in the form of being a pending sale, with only 7 new listings coming on the market. I've been talking about this for all year, about how we're in this environment of incredibly high demand and low supply, and this just continues week after week with more properties leaving the market than coming on the market, which is pretty remarkable. Looking at some of the market stats that we publish at mtlandsource.com, the median days on market for listings is down 144% from this date a year ago. The current days on market for active listings is 200 days, whereas this date in 2020, it was almost 500 days. So pretty remarkable changes in days on market. What I think we're seeing is a lot of the properties that are entering the market, new listings, and again, far less properties entering the market this year than any other time. There's statistics on that as well. In fact, we're down 65% from last year in terms of properties hitting the market. But I think the majority of those properties are actually selling. I think what we're seeing, it's amazing to see how many properties have been on the market for years and are still on the market. Clearly, there's issues with pricing on those properties, or general lack of appeal, something going on where if properties in this environment have been on the market prior to the buyer's market that we've been seeing and are still on the market through this period, it's a pretty good indication that there's something going on with pricing. So I think basically what's happening is we've tended to burn through all the properties that were priced right, were desirable, were in demand in this market, and then the new properties that are coming on tend to be priced more aggressively, tend to be more motivated sellers, and those properties are leaving the market. We are working to see if we can put together some statistics. It'd be really interesting to see if there was a statistical correlation with how long properties have been on the market. Kind of thing is looking at, if they've been on the market longer than 6 months, longer than a year, are they prone to be on the market for a longer time than new properties that are priced more aggressively. In other news in the Montana land market, the Montana Association of Farm Brokers and Realtors, our monthly meeting coming up for December, we're going to have a lender panel. So ag lenders are going to talk to us about kind of end of year, what they've seen, what's going on in the lending environment, what they see moving forward. There's some big changes coming up tax year wise. So it'll be interesting to hear from lenders on that front. That is going to take place November 4th here in Billings, Montana, but you can also participate on that meeting via Zoom. So check that out on our events calendar at mtlandsource.com. As always, thanks for listening. Please like and share our content. We're on YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Thank you, everybody. Have a safe and productive week.